Right, good morning, grade 4.
Good morning, Mrs. McKee.
Okay, remember, this is what we did yesterday. So this story tells you about Mary Ann, and she was very excited and waiting for the next day so that she could get a new pet. She knew she was going to buy it because she'd saved money to collect the pet. She paid 25 Rand and she'd saved it by washing dishes and doing chores around the house. She was waiting for her friend Nomsa because the two of them were going to go to the pet shop to choose that animal. Do we agree? Okay, so it's quite an exciting day, isn't it? If you were going with your friend to go and choose a new puppy. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to move around the class again, and we are going to read. I'm going to ask various children to read certain passages. Okay. Did you read yesterday? You didn't. Okay, read this part for me.
Mary Ann was excited,
Exhausted,
and she sat on top of a pile of dog food to rest. She saw 6 little puppies fast asleep in a basket. The girls leaned forward and stroked the puppies softly, wondering which one to choose.
Okay, carry on with this last one.
So, young lady, do you want to buy a puppy? Asked the manager. Yes, I have saved the money and I got for my birthday and for helping my mother with dishes. She said she saw her eyes
Gleaming. Okay, it's finished now. You read.
Little Gina was excited. I have never had a puppy. Well, let me tell you about the street system. The parts with the red, green, and yellow colors are already sold. So now we have a choice of 2 pups. You will have to choose between the pup with the pink color and the one with the blue color.
Okay, so that's when they get to the shop, and this is what's happening. And the manager tells them what they have to do when they get to the shop. Which words do you not understand here? Put up your hand. Yes.
Oh no, I understand now.
Okay.
Like the blue words.
Okay, if you have a look, this word exhausted. Do you know what exhausted means?
Yes.
You're so tired. She's so tired that she sat on a pile of dog food to rest. What is another word for softly? It means the same. If you were, she was stroking the puppies softly. Give me another word for it.
Gently.
Gently. Okay, she was stroking them gently, softly. Okay, another one that I had a look at was gleaming. Do you know what gleaming means?
No.
What does it mean?
Shining.
It's shining. Her eyes are bright, they're gleaming. She's excited, brightly. Okay? And you know, tell me another word for excitedly.
Excited.
Excited, it's the same word, yes?
Happy.
Happy could be, yes? Yes, okay. And then she says to her, let me tell you about these 3 puppies. Now remember, there's 6 puppies in the basket. But she's telling her about 3. The ones with the pink collar, the ones with the blue collar. Okay, those are the two that you would choose. Why do you think the dog had a pink collar on? Yes.
Because she was a girl.
She was a girl. Why do you think he had a blue collar? Yes.
Because he was a boy.
Okay, good. So do you understand this?
Yes.
Okay, what we read in. It goes to your questions that you were asked in your comprehension. Okay, so all of you now understand what those words mean. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And you could say that they were excited. How else would you say they were feeling? Don't look at me. What else would they have been feeling? Yes. Okay, she might have been a little bit scared because she'd never had a pet before. It was her first time for having a pet. Why had she not had a pet before? Yes.
Because she lives in a flat that you allow.
Yeah. So the place that she was in, the flat was very small, and you know that dogs like to run around in a garden, and they like to bounce around, jump around, they need somewhere to go to the toilet. So having a pet in a flat is a bit more difficult. Alright, I'm handing out these worksheets. And this worksheet, there are 2 of them. It works on what you are hearing and what you are doing. So I'm going to read with you, and you are going to do what I tell you to do by listening to what I've said. Don't turn around, remember? Okay. This exercise is called auditory perception. It's what you do when you hear something that somebody has said. You know, sometimes your parents tell you things and you just don't listen. But it's not because you didn't hear what they said to follow their instruction, it's because you don't feel like listening. Okay, this year you're going to listen to what I say and you're going to follow the instruction. So remember yesterday we worked on visual skills. The reason why I gave you that activity was to see how your brain works and processes information by looking at something. Yes. Okay, so don't start it till I tell you, and still don't look around, please. Has everybody got their 2 papers? So this exercise that we're going to be doing involves ships, islands, pirates. If you look at the piece of paper, the first piece of paper, you can see that there is a bird, there are mountains, there's palm trees, and there's different colored ships. Okay. The first thing I want to do, so you're going to draw a line from where I tell you to where you're supposed to go. Sail the purple pirate ship around the treasure chest to the forest. I don't want you to look at your question anymore. Have you put the question? Sail the purple pirate ship around the treasure chest to the forest. Draw a line, it doesn't have to be with the ruler. Yes. Don't turn around. Don't look at the question, just do what I'm telling you. Yes. The purple boat, make the purple boat, let me see, yellow, red, blue, green. So the purple boat is this one at the bottom. The second last one, look here. This is the purple boat. Don't look at the questions anymore. Okay. So you are going to sail the purple pirate ship around the treasure chest to the forest. Have you all done it? Okay. The second one that you are going to do, you are going to sail a yellow pirate ship around the treasure map to the mountain. Marcia, are you doing this?
I'm just laying in boarding.
And what are you doing? No, he keeps his pen. He didn't bring, you can't do it. Okay. So you are sailing the yellow pirate ship around the treasure map to the mountain. You done it? You're still busy. Okay. The third one. Sailed the red pirate ship between the parrot and the treasure chest to the mountain. Here's my next one, and I'm saying it once only. Sail the blue pirate ship around the pirates to the island. The last one, I'm saying it once. Sail the green pirate ship around the parrot to the island. Finished. Who got confused when I said some things? Who got confused? Do you see what I did is I gave you the first instruction where you had to choose the ship and you had to sail it around something to get somewhere else. So there were 3 instructions in there. Okay, do you all think you got it right? Okay, I'm going to have a look at it. Right. Okay, you can put that down, your pencils down. Okay, I'm talking about adverbs. Who knows what adverbs are?
An adverb is an adjective that describes the verb. I mean,
Okay?
the adverb describes the verb.
Okay, the adverb describes the verb. What is a verb?
A verb is an action word, doing word that shows action.
Okay, so it's something you do. It shows actions. Now I'm going to give you a couple of words, and this will describe the actions of the characters in the story. And I want you to tell me what the person is doing. So, for example, I'm going to say quickly. Quickly means the girl walked quickly. Do you understand? She was quick when she was walking. So her walking was quick. So it's quickly. All right. Impatiently. Tell me what the person was doing. Yes.
The person couldn't wait anymore because she was impatient.
Impatient. They were impatient. Okay. So it was showing their action. They were impatient. You know what impatient is? Okay, when you're tired of waiting and you're irritated, you're going to a party and your friend's not arriving and you're waiting for them and you still want to go to the party and they're still there and you phone and they say, I'll be there in 10 minutes, 20 minutes later, you're still waiting. You become impatient. The next word that I'm going to look at, that we're going to look at, is eagerly. Tell me the action. Anybody else? Yes?
Excited to do something.
Okay, so put it to me. The what was?
The girl eagerly waiting in the car for a walk.
Okay, change it from an adverb to a verb.
The girl waited in the car.
Still an adverb. Does anybody know how to change eagerly to a verb? Yes. to sleep. Yes?
The girl rated the baby to health.
Yes, but you're keeping it as an adverb. I want you to change it to a verb. So, she was eager. Okay. Yes, Michelle.
The girl was eager to buy a puppy.
Yeah, she was eager to buy a puppy.
She was eager to finish.
She was eager to finish. Okay, so it's describing an action. The next one I want you to have a look at is loudly. I want you to change that adverb to a verb. Yes. Now put it in a sentence for me. Okay. Still an adverb. I'm very loud when I sing in the shower. Yes,
I walk loud into the hallway.
but it's still an adverb.
I walk
When I walk,
when I walk.
I am very
I'm very
loud. Yes.
My dog is very loud.
Yes, his dog is very loud, especially when your dog barks. Yes.
I listen to loud music.
You listen to loud music. Good one.
My friend talks very loud.
Your friend farts very loud. Yes. That's a good one. Yes.
The concert was very loud.
The concert was very loud. So you see, loudly describes the verb of loud. Do you understand that? Okay, the next one I'm going to look at is carefully. Think about it. Yes.
Be careful with my dog.
Careful, yes.
I was careful down the stairs.
You were careful down the stairs.
I was careful to not slip.
You were careful to not slip. Anybody else? Yes.
You should be very careful holding my dog.
Yes.
You should be very careful or else
Good.
be careful. Be careful on the face.
Be very good. Yes.
I was careful with my
She was careful while she was riding her bike. Yes.
Be careful with the glass jug.
Be careful with the glass jug.
Careful on the face.
Be careful with the glass vase. Yes.
Be careful when you're walking in the forest.
Yes.
Be careful on YouTube.
Yes. Okay, so an adverb describes it, just adds on to the verb, but the verb stays the same. The next one we're going to look at is softly. Okay, you're making it into an action, a doing word. Yes, Mom.
I pet my dog.
Your pillow is soft. Yes.
Me.
Mm.
My bed was soft.
Okay.
My dog's fur was soft.
Okay, but now I'm describing something, but I want you to make it a doing word. Yes.
I pet my dog.
Okay, but it's still an adverb. You've got to use the word soft.
Be soft with the baby.
Be soft with the baby. When I walk, when I get home late at night, I tread softly, but I am very soft when I walk. Do you understand? Okay, is there another instance you can use? It's still an adverb because it's describing the soft. Yes,
I hold my cat and dog soft.
that's adverb. Okay, yes. Okay. Yes,
I walk softly.
still an adverb. But I'm soft when I walk. When I touch my son, I do it softly. I am soft when I touch my son. Do you get it? All right. The next word we're going to do is excitedly. Tell me.
I was very excited to go to Sunset.
Good.
I'm excited to get a Chinese.
To get a Siamese, yes. Yes, to get a new puppy.
I was excited to go to my friend's party.
Okay.
I'm not excited to go to school.
Nice.
I was excited to see my friend's mom.
Yes.
I'm also excited to go to camp.
Good.
I'm excited to get a new toy.
Yes. Are you all excited to go to camp?
Yes.
Have you all handed out your camp forms?
Yes.
Okay, you brought them back. Okay. So, if I go to a movie, I went to go and see a movie this weekend, I was very excited to see it. Okay. Do you understand? I can behave excitedly, but I'm excited. Got it? Alright. Next one that we are going to be doing. I want to ask you something. This is where we're going to have our discussion. Who do you think was excited in the story?
Mary Ann.
Do you think Namsa was excited?
Yes.
Who else could have been excited? The new puppy could have been excited. Yes.
The parents.
The parents could have been excited. Yes.
The shopkeeper was very happy.
Yeah, maybe the shopkeeper was happy and excited because she was going to get some money. Right, the next thing. When we use the word quickly, who was doing it? Yes.
Mary Ann, she was walking to the
Who was she with? Okay, so Namsa and Mary Ann walked quickly. Do you know why Mary Ann was exhausted when she got to the shop?
Because
Yes.
she walked.
She walked quickly and yes, yes, so a leg must have been hurting. Okay, to walk in those calipers must be difficult. It can't be easy. It's not like us, we just walk. Yes.
And she had to hold the puppy.
Yes. Impatiently. Who was impatient? Yes.
Mary Ann.
Mary Ann, why was she impatient?
Because they took long to get a dog.
Remember, she was waiting for who?
Oh, Namsa.
She was waiting for Namsa. How was Namsa getting to Mary Ann's house? Yes, with a bus. So there's Mary Ann. She can't wait to get to the pet shop, and now she has to wait for Namsa. Okay. Eagerly. Who was eager?
Mary Ann.
Mary Ann.
The one question, man. Where couldn't Mary Ann just like us and then she could
You must, in the story, from what you're thinking about what the writer is trying to tell you, is that Namsa lived further away. So she had to take a bus to get to Mary Ann. But Mary Ann was close to the shop that she could walk. Okay. So who was eager? Yes, Mary Ann and Namsa. Do you think perhaps the little puppy might have been eager too when he started to wag his tail?
Yes.
Okay, maybe he was eager also to make a new friend. What was loudly in the story? Yes.
I forgot.
You forgot. What was loudly in the story?
Loudly in the story. Oh, yeah. Loudly in the story.
Who?
Oh, it was the dogs barking.
Who?
It was when Mary Ann and Busy walking either into the shop and
Could have been
it was Mary Ann and Namsa
on the way back when they left the shop with the puppy. They were talking to each other loudly. They were obviously excited. You know, when you're excited, you get louder. Or when you're angry, you get louder. Okay, carefully. Yes.
Mary Ann is careful with the puppy.
use words like gently to show you that she was careful. So she carefully picked up the dog. She carefully stroked the puppy. Do you think maybe that Mary Ann walks carefully because she's got calipers?
Yeah.
Softly. Where did the word softly happen? When she was petting the puppy. She was softly petting the puppy. It's the same with my animals that I have in my classroom, my birds. When I take them out the cage and hold them, I touch them so softly. When you're dealing with an animal, you have to be soft. What do you boys do? Sit up. I am very gentle, and I show my grade 6s who are in my register class that when you touch animals, you hold them so softly. And my tarantulas that I have, when they grow big, that children are going to hold them softly. And you do that with your animals. Excitedly. Yes.
Mary Ann was excited.
Tell me the times during the story that she was excited.
She was excited to get a new pet.
Okay, she was excited to get a new pet. When she was woke up at night at 12 o'clock at night because she was excited about getting the new puppy. She was excited to bring the puppy home. Do you think she was excited to choose the puppy?
Oh, yeah.
Do you think she was excited because her friend was coming to visit her?
Yes.
Yes.
She was excited to hold and pet the puppy.
She was excited to hold and pet the puppy. They were so excited when they left the shop. What were they doing?
They were talking loudly.
They were talking loudly. Do you think Mary Ann's mom and dad were excited to get the puppy?
No.
I think so. I think so. Maybe not. If a new puppy comes to my house or my new animals, I get very excited. Do you think maybe the puppy was excited?
Yes.
Yeah. The puppy didn't know where he was going, but he was very excited. He was happy to be loved, and he was excited. Got it? Okay. So this exercise that we did here with the ship and the pirate, that's about hearing. That is how you hear things, and your brain gets information, and then your brain processes what you're hearing to make you do something. That's called auditory perceptual skills. And yesterday we did visual. I want you to stay where you are. Don't turn around. Nobody. What is the most interesting part of the lesson? Don't turn around. What is the nicest part of the lesson? The activities. Who enjoyed the activities? Put up your hand. Who didn't enjoy the activity? Why? Didn't you like it? Didn't you like the activity? Okay, but it was a good thing that most of you enjoyed it. Don't turn around.